Good morning, everybody. Aaron, T. Faka, Albert, Justin, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Trying to investigate how I feel about an SFP of yesterday's low. I don't think I feel terrible about it. Yeah, I think I feel pretty good about it actually. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I would say if we can crack above this high, after having broken this. After having swept this, then I think we can target this. Some music. It seems awfully quiet in my head today. Let's get this off there. We don't need this anymore. Go away, go away, go away. Yeah, yeah, that's how I feel about it. Let's move that guy down. I'm still interested in this 85 400-ish area. I am still interested in that. Yeah, I got a couple areas I'm still interested in to overall prop the market structure up from the bottom. We're just talking like your 4-hour-ish structure, something that will overall hold this flow of structure up, something that'll prop that up. Yeah, because it all goes to hell after this, and then you smoke this. So, yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with it. I think I want to continue to long this thing. Yeah, yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Boy, the risk reward on that probably not so great though, huh? Hey, you. I thought we told you to get down. Get on out of there. Yeah, refining that stop loss would be super helpful. Super helpful. All right. Yeah, Bitcoin. Oh God. No, I look over the chat and there's all these people here. And I don't even have any music. I wonder if I can get some music going in the background that wouldn't disrupt anybody too much. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Bear with me. It's just way, way too quiet in my head right now. I have to fix this. Hopefully this isn't too loud for anybody. All right, now let me get back over and say good morning to everybody. Nicholas, I think I caught you. EI80, Nikos, Infinite Team, Anthony Soprano, Janner B, Blaz. All right, and Anto, B Team Crypto, JR, what's up, people? Hey man, good evening. When you get a chance, could you please take a look at SUI and XRP? SUI XRP, we'll add that to the list. Boss looks weak. It does. It's only like a 2 minute break of structure. Getting ready for a long setup. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, Blue Brew. Good morning. Hello. Hello to all. All right. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the boss looks pretty weak, right? It's that's a 2 minute break of structure. It is nonetheless your highest time frame structure between here and here. So yeah, it's only 2 minute, but you don't have more than 2 minute structure in between here and here. And so I'll be fully transparent. I'm already long, but looking at you know um, other ideas for other people, right? Yeah, yeah, we're gonna have to turn this up a little bit. And so I don't really have too much more to talk about on Bitcoin here. I think we can pop a couple alerts on this and probably move on. All right, I actually want one right here. Let's pop an alert there. Let's pop an alert here. Oh, come on. This should be mute this video. Perfect. And if that music I'm playing is absolutely obnoxiously annoying, let me know and I may choose to do something about it. I may not. All right, let's go look at Sui. Sui cranking, man. Sui's cranking. Yeah, Sui's cranking. So it's like, we get that little bit of we lose that 15-minute structure yesterday, and man, it just pulled right back around. Probably just to set your next like 1 hour low or something. Ish. Okay, well let's clean this thing up and let's see what we find out. All right, we're over halfway through this. I don't think we need to pay too much attention to this anymore. Um, let's see. So generally speaking, I still have an issue with the overall presentation of this kind of crap at the bottom. Yeah, I generally I take issue with this, but let me see if I can find reasons not to hate it so much. So that must have been the 4 hour break and the daily break. So break 4 hour return. It's just the lack of removal of any of those lows. But here's what I'll give it. That's good. That's a good initiation. That's a nice initiation there. It would be really convenient if there was some clear resistance in this area so that we could see a boom to boom. That would be, God damn it, that would be ideal. Because after that, like I want to see daily break and then looked along. All right, let's hop up to the. Yeah, we're gonna need to mark this whole area. Decent topside wick. All right, okay. Too far. I feel like this keeps going up today, man. Yeah, this keeps going up today. I don't know. You S&P that last 15-minute high. We're gonna skip the dubstep for you guys. Um. Hmm. Really? Which reward in here sucks? That'd be a lot better. The main concern I have locally, as far as like a trade in the immediate future, that's my main concern. That's my main concern right now. What's BTC doing? Hmm. This here, that's just fucking terrible. Risk reward in this area is just not pleasant. Like I almost have to be down here. Yeah, but see, Bitcoin just did this. It did this, and then it looks to do this. So I don't know if we can get it back down in there. Hopefully this has been helpful because I don't feel like I have a ton left to talk about on that. See, the trouble with this is I kind of feel like it is going to come here, but my problem is it could come back here before it goes there. It could still do that. So, yeah, this is a tough one. This is a tough one. I think the reason I'm struggling with this so much is because it's trading a premium. Yeah, yeah. That's exactly why I'm struggling with it so much. Yeah, that's why I'm struggling with that so much. So it's a little tough. It's a little tough locally. Yeah, that's a little tough locally. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know if I mean long term wise, I think if we can break daily structure here, then it's kind of off to the races. I could see that starting a domino effect of knocking out all these highs. I don't see any real significant resistance all the way through that area. Um, so I think it could go up. Did we like where the low got put in on this, by the way? Oh yeah, we loved what the low got put in. So I forgot. Absolutely love it. Um, yeah. I could see some upward mobility on this still. It's in a fragile place to trade it. Yeah, see, it'd be so much better if this had taken that, or if this had taken that. And then I would feel way better about an entry up here. But I didn't do that. So that's a chill. That's a no touch for me. Oh, Alex snuck in here. Snuck in. Damn it, mods. How do you let that guy in here? Um, let's go pop over. Let's go pop over and take a peek at XRP real quick. Somebody wanted to peep XRP, and I always want to look at XRP. Well, we had some kind of an idea in this area. What were we working on? Yeah, yeah. I think I get a little aggressive on my demand range. Yeah, I picked this little order block. See, shame on me, right? Like, why not take the whole demand range and know that like the top section of it had already been nipped. We had the order block that it came with. No, but there's a thing that I know with a high level of confidence. There is a thing I know with a high level of confidence, and that is what is this? I would say that a break of that definitely equals trading at least into supply, if not far higher. If not this, yeah, okay, yeah. This is what I'd say with a with some confidence. You see this last kind of deal here, right? If that starts to look like this, um, then I would expect that you will trade up into supply to set your higher high. And we will come back down to mitigate something to set our lower high, and then this is the only to me this is the only thing holding us back from this. In the event that this transitions here, if that transitions there, this is the only thing I'm worried about for a lower low, um, and I really don't anticipate that it would present that way. I much more anticipate this out of it. So I think overall, yeah, this is starting. This is looking pretty good. This is looking pretty good. Yeah, see, like if you just give me this box, give me my box. Go from that wick to that wick. Good, missed that. Is it just being lazy? What's my problem? Yeah. That 4 hour order block. That's the one. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, I think XRP could be yeah, really turning up. You know what I mean? If you look at if you come from here, swing low, swing high. Overall, you're in the discount of that range. Time to rotate back up to premium. What is this internal to? Ew. Why did you have to do that to me? But whatever. There's also good news inside of here too. That can always equal a rotation from here to here. And so far structure is looking pretty decent on the climb up. So yeah, I would say XRP's in a very longable area right now. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Let's see if we can refine. See if we can refine. Okay, so we're kind of starting to break out our 5 to 10 minute structure. Yeah, we're starting to break our 10-minute structure right now. Um, a return to mitigate some manner of demand would be really nice. That would be really nice. Can we resist and get back in there? No. Let's get rid of this line because it's annoying, and let's get rid of this line. Let's re-add one here. I mean, a perfect world. Okay, guys, you got to help me remember. I need to be putting these in Discord. I'm so bad about this. So bad about this. I just want to say target 2. Please say target 2. Is that target 3? Yep. Sure is. Makes that target 4. All right. Let's get this on a time frame that displays fairly well. No, I think we need to go a little bit higher. And all the people in Discord will never understand what the 10 and 15 minute look like here. And we'll emphasize the SFP of the low of the range, and we'll post it in Discord. Oh, I guess, yeah, whatever. It's better than not posting it in Discord. Better than not posting something. What is that? Blueberry TA XRP. What was the one we were doing just before this? We're doing Sui. I don't think I really have anything worth posting on Sui. I don't think I have anything worth posting there. All right, and then we hop back to chat and we see what else I missed. Let's see here. At the moment, the U.S. dominance break is on a test and looks strong. USDT. Take a peek at USDT. What does USDT say? Yeah, so you're losing some 4-hour structure on it. That's nice. That's nice to see. This is a break of 4-hour structure on dominance. So that's good. Yeah, we'd like to see that. We still have some manner of a range, and our high is still weak on that range, but we've got some early signs of a breakdown. But you just understand that this on this dominant chart. Look, you lost 4-hour structure here, but you still came up and challenged the range high. Just as you kind of like break 4-hour structure here, bullishly, and then fall back down to the low. So just because I see a transition on the 4 here, I'm not 100% sold, but it can't rotate back up to the top of the range. Yeah, I'm just not sold. I'm not sold because your highest time frame structure is not broken yet, and that's this low. Lose that low, and sure, yeah, we're gonzo. But that's what I got on dominance. Don't short Sui these days. Yeah, right? For real, bro. For real. I'll turn the music down a little bit. Sorry, I could put some headphones on, but I don't want to. Oh, blockchain domain, new to the channel. Hey, man, welcome. Everyone now is a guru selling courses. Hey, you guys want to buy my course? JK. I don't sell shit. And nothing is sold here, only a free Discord. Yeah. Maybe post the link to your chart. Barina, were you referring to my chart? Because everybody, at least in premium or whatever, they have links to my charts, to all of my charts. Why is Sui so strong now? I don't know. I wonder if I can answer that from a technical analysis perspective. because I don't know anything about it. It's just candlesticks to me. I mean, I think so strong is a little bit of a bold statement here. Yeah, you can call it strong after you return your daily market structure to bullish, in my opinion. That's when we can call it strong. Let's see here. Oh, the XRP. Did I not do the XRP trade? Did I not post it? Am I crazy? Oh, you guys want it in like Otter Talk or something? I'll throw it in Otter Talk for you. Where the hell did that go? Where did it go? I get lost in this Discord. Here we go. Mainly because I'm a moron. Cool. I threw it in Otter Talk for you. All right. What else we got? Anybody else wanna Anybody else got Kurosama, top of the morning. Big time mindset. What's up? D'Angelo. Thanks for the kind words. To my page next to buy my program. Yeah, Barina, I posted it on my channel. Discord is where I definitely my bad. All right. Yeah, let's do some more TA. Let's do some more TA. What do you guys want to look at? I can just start flipping through charts. Pi? Yeah. What's that thing been up to? Why do I feel like I had TA on Bit? Because I did. What is all of this? So, what is this blue line? Oh. All right. Well, let's delete everything in here. Let's delete this. This and this, and let's know that it's currently in the only bullish daily order block that existed on the entire chart. And then let's go check the 4 hour. Right, this thing's gonna need to turn around here pretty quick. We might have broke something down here. Let's drop to our 30. Yeah, you broke 30. Broke you 30 bullishly. Ran right through that last section of demand. Boy, target 2's a mile away. Screenshot it. That's where I'm at with it. And I'll explain that here in a second. I'm just gonna trying to do better. Trying to do better. Who tagged me in something? All right, and yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with Pi. So essentially, you flip your 30-minute structure to bullish here, and you know, it look like we could have a possible initiation, mitigation for continuation, but I want to see the structure of this leg from here to here return to bullish on the 30-minute, which will happen here. And so you got one 30-minute break, get another 30-minute break, send it. That's what I would vote. That's what I would vote. So there's my logic on that. And that's done. Barra. Yeah, we day look at old Barra. OP for Anthony Soprano will be first. God, it's been a minute since I looked at that chart. OP. OP. Let's get out to the daily. I need to wipe this chart. I need to wipe it. Oh, look, it's a Head and Shoulders, and it's going to negative $2.50. See? My bad. It's going to negative $3. I'm just joking, y'all. I'm just joking, y'all. You can break weekly structure here. That'd be kind of cool. We get on the daily. Anthony, I don't think this thing's ready yet, man. Well, I mean, I guess we can hate on this. It seemed fair not to hate on that. That's some mitigation. That's kind of good. We got to 4. That's a good sign. See, now this whole activity of this sort of bear flaggy kind of situation, it looks a lot better on OP. Yeah, it looks a lot better on OP. This did take this. This did take this. This did take this. So yeah, overall this does look a lot better. I really want to long it though. We can't long. I don't think we can long inside of here. I don't think that's responsible. We're way too close to premium. Ooh, ooh. I want you to just cut through it. So it's like, see, the story would change if you could resist here, support here, somewhere inside of there. I think we could refine the risk reward if we could pull that off. So your local range was high, low, low, order block. Unfortunately, I think it's a while before we can leverage trade it. For me, anyway. I think you're going to take that high out. And then, for the most part, yeah, the trade I want on this, it just doesn't even exist yet. The trade I want looks like a range, initiation, mitigation, continuation. Um, and it just doesn't even exist yet. But this is the one I want. That's the one I want. It's the one I would want anyway. I don't think there's anything to grab a hold of right here, though. This other blue box off of here. I lied. There's absolutely something to grab a hold of here. I don't know what the risk rewards will look like, though. Not great. If you're going to cover that low, it's not going to be great. It's not going to be great if you're going to cover that low. It's not going to be great. Let's get this on the 30 and let's post it. All right, now let's see what other ones did I miss? Bira and Alex. Vegas soon, bro. Vegas soon. Vegas soon. Yeah, looks like this. If the 4 hour close, oh well, hold on. Big time mindset about a 4 hour close. We'll answer that in a second. Let's just take a let's probably peep over. I'm so bad. Didn't I set alerts on Bitcoin? Swear to God, you people watch me set alerts on Bitcoin. Swear you did. Yeah, I don't remember hearing that. Anyways, okay, we're gonna do beer real quick. I don't know why, but when I say it, I think of birria tacos. What are we doing this on? Binance? Ha ha! Bro! Yeah, so that never confirmed. Cut right through all that. Okay. Let's wipe everything in the center of this. Oh, whatever. It is trading in supply right now. I don't think you're gonna get a I don't know if you're gonna get a lower low off of it though. So obviously we've got demand below us. It's hard to long it when it's all the way up here in premium, man. Best trade, in my opinion, already happened, probably yesterday. Yeah, and then I don't like longing in premium, okay? I just don't. Just don't like longing in premium. But I would say that this low is fairly significant. I do not like longing in premium. Man, I really don't like doing it. My main issue with this is that supply. See this 4 hour double top right here with all those big bearish candles on the 4 hour that just cascaded from that. Yeah, that's supply. Now, is it still active supply? I don't know the answer to that. I don't know the answer to that. But I know that if it did work and were to break your 4 hour structure, quite likely back down to 69, 60, whatever, this number, that number. Um, but the question is, can we just, that supply may not, just because there's supply there doesn't mean shit, man. That don't mean shit. The structure is still the king. So for that reason, I could see the long working, but I'm just trying to illustrate why I would be very hesitant to long up there. You're longing into resistance and you're longing at premium. I feel so much better about a long down under the 50% line. Yeah, I feel much better about a long down in this area. But let's say another thing about it. If you get above this range, I would really look to short the top of this. I would look to short the top of this, and if I owned any of it, I'd sell it at $9. 100%, I would sell it at $9. But in the event that it can break 9.181, significantly initiate above it, I don't know anything about this project, but it could. Sky's kind of the limit. You're out of resistance after $9. I actually got to go to the bathroom, and then I'll be right back. All right, and then we got to do some QNT, and yeah, bro, too much coffee for real. Let's see, we got to do some QNT, then we got to look at 4 hour structure on BTC, and so let's just keep moving. What's total 3 look like? Fucking great. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh, it looks so good. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for QNT. See how bad I got this one wrong. Hmm. I don't remember the last time we were on here, but we took the week low. I really I have no idea the last time we were on here. But we took our week. Let's just make it all interesting. Haha, you shouldn't. I don't know if you can. I mean, Q and T could be spicing up for a long here. Yeah. See how that range broke up right there? Yeah, I think you get your 15-minute structure back on your side, and you're gonna be looking pretty good. For sure, that's target one. There might be. I mean, I know that this supply already got tagged a bit, but there could be some remaining supply left in there. So I'd say that's definitely a target one. Quite honestly, this is probably target two. Did I not click on the thingy? Dude, what am I doing? Oh, because that's not a, it's a range tool. All right, let's go to 30. Let's post that. And then we'll go take a look at that 4-hour structure on BTC. Yeah, we'll take another look at the gentleman's question. Something about if the 4-hour close like this on Bitcoin, can we expect the high to be taken for sure? Let's go take a look at 4-hour on Bitcoin. If you're talking about what I have marked on here as target two, there's no 4-hour candle. I mean, I guess okay. I think I know what you're saying now. Is if we have 48 minutes left on this candle, and if it closes above yesterday's low, does that mean this high for sure? Well, nothing in life is for sure, but I got my money on it. Yeah, I got my money on it. Yep, yep. How do you identify demand? Kurosama, he asks an easy question, so I will answer that one. So price is trading up, and then it's trading down, and then it trades up, and price achieves a price that is greater than the previous high. Well, objectively speaking, demand for the asset was greater than its supply, or price no go up. So if demand was not greater than the supply, it cannot be living at this price. It's impossible. The only way for price to go from here to here is for demand to be greater than supply. So it's as easy as that to find demand. Now, strong demand creates an inefficiency. Strong demand creates an inefficiency, and that's where you start fishing for order blocks. So like it like comes here, and then it forms an inefficiency, and then maybe continues up a little bit more, and then when it comes back down into something like that, that demand created an inefficiency in the market, aka a fair value gap. It's got a little bit more strength to it. Yeah, demand and supply, my opinion, easiest things in the world to find on the chart. You get a little bit better after practice as to determining which ones are stronger than others, but and there's of course there's never any guarantee, right? Essentially, the principle is this: the people that bought the asset here are in profit here. Period. Point blank, end of story. They're the ones that created the demand. They buy here, they're in profit here. They take profit. Price goes down. They add back to the trade. Price go up. So I don't know. I like to keep it just stupid simple in my head. I like to keep it stupid simple in my head. What are we missing here? I just finished my last brew and starting in a new brew, still long. Let's go. Let's see. There'd be a gamble and would need a tight stop loss if it could rip through. I wonder what he's referring to. Oh, you thought I had no pants on because like the color of my shirt. That's hilarious.
Is XRP for long still valid? Let's go take a look. What are we waiting for, the 15? Yeah, it's valid. Yeah, it's valid. I mean, I don't know if you get your SL sucks on it. I think we were hoping for a return in mitigation before heading back up, but um, yeah, yeah. Um, if you follow that thing closely throughout the day, I would suspect that you could probably find a reentry on that. It's not right here right now for me though. Um, okay, running out of time and running out of things to talk about. So hit me with your best shot, or what we got to get. What we got to get on the getting on, man. Or we got to get on the getting on. What a mess. Better. Yeah, better. Well, I gotta assume my trade's doing pretty good. I should probably go take some fucking money and pay myself, not be a schlub. A schlub. I don't even know if that's a word. I make shit up all the time. Hmm. What did I? What button did I hit? That's not whatever button I hit is not the button I wanted to hit. Dude, like what? Can you take me to the futures exchange, please? And thank you. Let's shave a little bit off here. Sorry. Bear with me, people. I'm over here fumbling. All right, I'm back. I'm back. What do we need? What do we need? What are we doing? That'll suffice. All right. Let's see here. Great session today. Hey man, glad you appreciate. Glad it was valuable for you. Bat, is it dead? Dead? Probably. Let's take a look. There's a button I need. Bat. What was bat? Basic attention. Oh my god, bro, that was one of the first trades I ever made as a trader. I forgot about this thing. What was I trading this on? Bro, I was trading this on Robin in the Dizzy. Could be worse. I bet I was trading it right here. Could be worse. Could be worse. Let me get a ray out. It's pretty beat up. It's not an overly exciting chart. Looks pretty much like every other thing, though. Ooh, I don't like it. I don't like it. Um, I don't like it. But you know, you get 4 hour structure back on your side, and I think the high tide could bring up all ships on this. That 4 hour high's at 16 cents. If you can get an initiation up out of here, yeah, you know, I mean, it could probably get up to 20 cents or so. Um, and then it might get the old smackdown. Yeah, it might get the old smackdown after that. But yeah, I mean, you know, rising tide brings up all ships. So, this thing respects smart money concepts pretty well, though. I'll tell you that much. Yeah, yeah, it looks pretty similar to everything else, honestly. Done 500% on account this week. Only trading Ondo. Bro, bro, is Ondo still alive? Did you flog it to death? Jesus. Uh, I had bat since its launch. Held it. Uh, yeah. You know, it should go up a bit more, Kurosawa. It should go up. Hey, Alex, he's probably gone, but I love him too. All right. Yeah, probably on up on out of here then. Oh yeah, it's time for me to go, guys. Time for me to go. I'm always good for that last late question. But outside of that, yeah, probably time to hit the road. Yeah. Good divergence on the delta. Um, great explanation of supply and demand. I'm glad you liked it, man. I really try and keep it stupid simple. Stupid simple. That's my keep it stupid simple. Pull back XRP. Let's all hit that too, man. Hit that too. I'm gonna go ahead and set an alert. Not that my alerts ever want to work, even when I put them once per bar. And I'm gonna say you should like long some XRP or all right, guys. Hey, Anto, no problem, bro. Still in market right. How many times am I gonna mark this wrong? Guys, I'm done. I'm done. All right, you gotta give me something else. You gotta give me something else. What's the deal with Ada? Ada, what's the deal? What's the deal, homie? Oh, we got so close. My spot didn't get tagged. Boom.
Boo. No. Oh, must be a fib tool. I know I do need background music, but then people don't like it when I turn it up. I do need background music. I technically have a little bit that like I can hear. Then yeah, pin drop. I'm yeah no, I hear you Defiant. I do need background music. I do need background music. Mo, um, all right. Well, I guess you guys didn't ask anything else, so I suppose I must leave now. Adios. Been fun as usual. Pretty good time, and I'll leave. Yeah, I'll leave. I lied. I'm gonna look at Doge. I lied. I'm gonna look at Doge. Oh, that's unfortunate. It's got some problems. It needs like a good 15-minute close up here. Flight. How's the flight? Oh, dude, the flight. It was so sick. That was probably it could have been the most easily the most exhilarating thing I've ever done in my life. It was uber sick. We did just like a standard rate turn, which I don't know what the hell it is, but it felt like I was gonna die. I think it's something very basic. I think they just like take the plane into like a. It felt like I was flying this way. That's all I know. It felt like I was flying this way. Um, I don't know what a standard rate turn is, but that was wild. And then we're just like flying over Sedona, Arizona, which is all canyon lands and cliffs and stuff. And yeah, I don't know. It was just wicked cool. Wicked cool. We almost landed in Sedona, but like right as we were approaching the airport, the air traffic was pretty busy. Um, but yeah, it was wild cool. It was wild cool. Uh, he said he might fly me up to Vegas because that's actually where he's flying back from this morning, and it's about an hour and 30-minute flight from here. And because I was trying to get him to go to the Bitcoin conference with me, and he's like, "Oh yeah, I'll go. We'll just fly." Now we'll see if that actually happens. But it was super sick, dude. It was super super sick. Short flight overall, but really fun. And then like the entire pre-flight check procedure was really cool because it's like a 1972 aircraft, right? So it's like, you know, all carbureted engines, you know, everything. Like it was pretty cool to go through the whole pre-flight checklist. And then you know, then you got like the headphones on, and you can hear the air traffic controllers the entire time, like directing all the traffic, which was pretty fun. Yeah, it was rad. It was so rad, so rad. My palms sweat thinking about it though. I had a terrible experience in a commercial air flight once, where the plane kind of like just immediately dropped like a couple hundred feet, and people hit the ceiling, and drinks went everywhere, and it was really kind of wild, and it took me a long time to get over that. And then I refound my love for flying, and but yeah, nonetheless, it was a little nerve wracking, but overall absolutely exhilarating. Brett, Brett, are you really gonna? Anyways, um, yeah, thanks for asking. I'm behind. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna check my email while you people make sure you don't have any questions. Everybody likes to schedule email deliveries for me for 8 o'clock. I don't know why. Well, I don't have any interesting emails either. So, um, adios, amigos.